big stories that we've been tracking is the Tirupati Laddu controversy. It was Chandrababu Naidu, the Chief Minister, who made that big charge against Jagan Mohan Reddy that animal fat was used, has been used in the past to make the prasadam, something which has been confirmed in that lab test report as well. Bandi Sanjay now questioning the Jagan Mohan Reddy party and saying that appropriate action must be initiated after the lab report has confirmed that fish oil and animal fat, in fact, that being said, it was not ghee but animal fat that was used in making the prasadam. Listen into the reactions coming in.
तिरुमला तिरुपति देवस्थान हिंदुओं का एक पवित्र धार्मिक क्षेत्र है। तिरुमला लड्डू को बहुत पवित्र प्रसाद माना जाता है। ऐसे लड्डू को अपवित्र करना एक मूर्खता है, ये अक्षम अपराध है। इसका कारण है कि पिछले सरकार के समय में टीटीडी बोर्ड में स्थानीय मंडल टीटीडी बोर्ड का कमिटी और कर्मचारियों को नियुक्ति करने के समय में अन्य धर्मों के लोगों को और नास्तिकों को नियुक्त किया गया है, जो भगवान पर विश्वास नहीं करता है लोग। इसके कारण ऐसा घटना हुआ है। मैं एपी सरकार से मैं विनती करता हूं कि तुरंत इसके ऊपर इंक्वायरी करना है और इंक्वायरी करके सख्त कार्रवाई करना ही चाहिए, ये मेरा विनती है।
All right, so Bandi Sanjay there demanding appropriate action. A massive face-off that has erupted meanwhile between the TDP and the YSRCP after those claims that were made by Chandrababu Naidu was these allegations have been corroborated in that test report as well, which has proved that these laddus were in fact adulterated, that was being given to the devotees who visited the Tirumala temple. So the BJP calling this an unforgivable sin. The very fact that these were adulterated laddus that were being given to the devotees who'd been visiting the Tirumala temple. Massive charge there that's been made by the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, after which a Gujarat-based lab report has also corroborated the same. Let's go across to Aneri. She's joining us live right now. Aneri, this is beyond deplorable. It's now been confirmed that beef fat and even fish oil was used in making the laddus. The question is that for how long has it been happening, and why is it that all of this was not taken note of by Jagan Mohan Reddy?
Well, Samita, what we have been seeing is that massive roar over the Tirupati Laddu. Well, there is a lot of belief, a lot of astha among the Hindus who visit that temple, Tirumala temple, every time they take that prasadam with them. But now that Chandrababu Naidu has made a statement, and also we have a report which very clearly mentioned that there was fish oil which was used, and also beef fat was which is distributed among the people there. But also at the same time, what the YSRCP has been saying is that they have clearly denied this fact of anything being mixed in the laddus there at Tirumala. But also at the same time, what we have been seeing is that last night we had seen Chandrababu Naidu also making a statement where he clearly mentions that the inquiry has already begun and action will be taken against who have adulterated the Tirumala laddus, is what Chandrababu Naidu has to say, and also a thorough inquiry will be taken up. But this all came out at the time when after Chandrababu Naidu's government came into power in June, and following which they had ordered an inquiry. There was a vigilance inquiry which had been taken up back in June, and later in July they got this details of beef fat and fish oil being mixed during previous Jagan Mohan Reddy's regime. So definitely shocking revelations coming in, but yes, what would be the next move by the British government?
I'm sorry, I'll have to interrupt you there. There seems to be a network problem. But yes, Aneri, they're tracking all the updates after those charges were made by Chandrababu Naidu, which have now been proved after the lab report has confirmed that these laddus were adulterated, that were being given to the devotees.